To my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about the subject that is animal ecology, zoology paper 2, FIBSC SEM 1. Chapter or unit is ecosystem. In that, types of ecosystem. So subtopic is forest ecosystem. So there are different type of forests. So today we are going to study about them, that is tropical rainforest, tropical savannas and the temperate forest. So this slide that shows the forest 50% of the total land, and in India that is 20% of the total land is occupied by the forest, and 40% of the total world, the all over world, 40% of the forest, that is land occupied by the forest is 40%. First one is the tropical rainforest. As name itself indicate that the continuous raining is there. So these forests are evergreen. Location of the forest is equatorial region of the earth. Example is Congo River basin of Africa and Central America. Rainfall is high, that is 140 centimeter. Humidity is high, temperature is 80 degrees Celsius, and diversity is vast. So different type of animal and the plants are present in the tropical rainforest. So what is tropical rainforest? It is an ecosystem, or it is a community of living organism, plant as well as animals sharing the environment. A forest ecosystem is a natural woodland unit consisting of all plants, animal, microorganisms and abiotic components. So the largest ecosystem are called biome, that is tropical rainforest. Rainforests are called cradles of the diversity. The tropical rainforest occurs in a broad zone outside the equator. It is a forest occurring in a tropical areas in that heavy rainfall, temperature and humidity are relatively high throughout the year. The rainforests grow in the tropic close to the equator, and the plants have a 12 months growing season. As a resultant, the rainforest is the most luxuriant vegetation system in the world. It is abundant with the many species of wildlife and the vegetation. So the rainforest cover less than 2% of the earth's surface. Now the vegetation. Species of flora is highly diverse. A square kilometer may contain as many as 100 different trees compared to the 3 or 4 in a temperate zone. The various trees of the tropical rainforest are closely spaced together and form a thick continuous canopy, some 25 to 35 meters tall. Epiphytic orchids and bromeliads as well as vines, lianas are very characteristics of the tropical rainforest. Some other common plants include ferns in the palms. So you can see in this slide, so the different type of animals we can see. Okay, so the common characteristics found among the mammals and the birds, again reptiles and amphibians. Small animals, it includes monkey, birds, snakes, rodent, frogs, lizards, common in a tropical rainforest. Other characteristics are bright color and sharp pattern, loud visualization, diet heavy on a fruit. Insect makes a largest single group of the animal that live in a tropical forest. They include brightly colored butterfly, mosquito, camouflage sticks insect, and the huge colonies of the ants. So the next forest is tropical savanna forest or the grassland. It occurs near the border of tropical rainforest. Location is in Africa and East Asia, Australia. Rainfall 100 cm to 150 cm. Season in tropical savanna forest, dry and the wet season. So here again the diversity is vast. So the different type of animals and plants we can see in the tropical rainforest. So here the tropical savannas or the grassland associated with tropical wet and the dry climate type, but are not generally considered to be the climax community. Instead, savanna develop in a region where the climax community should be some form of the forest woodland, but continuous disturbances such as drought, flooding prevent the establishment of those species of the tree. They are found in the latitude between Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. So the tropical savannas, so you can see there are different type of grasses along with the trees and the shrubs. That's why it is a hunting ground for the predators. Next one, so the different type of animal we can see in this slide, that is wild beast, elephants, zebras, rhinos, hyena, cheetah, etc. Again, the vegetation, it is characterized by a continuous cover of perennial grasses. Again, the grass is 3 to 6 feet tall at maturity. They may or may not have a common canopy of drought resistant, free, fire resistant trees and open shrub layer. So, here the next forest is a temperate forest. Again, this forest found between a tropical and boreal forest. Location is a temperate zone. Rainfall is 75 to 150 centimeter. Temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. So the temperature is not more than that. Again, so you can see the temperature here, the minus 30 to 30 degrees Celsius. Yearly average is 10 degrees Celsius hot summer and the cold winter. Here the precipitation is 750 to 1500 mm rain per year. Vegetation, broadleaf trees, oaks, maple, beeches, shrubs, perennial herbs and the mosses. Location is eastern United States, Canada, Europe, China and the Japan. Other temperate deciduous forests are most notable because they go through a 4 season. Leaves change the color in autumn, fall of the winter and grow back in spring. This adaptation allows the plants to survive in a cold winters. So the temperate forest animal, so here the bears, backwats, rabbits, deer, raccoons, squirrels, insect like spiders, eagles, hummingbirds. Again the plant, so the maple tree, lichens, walnut trees. These are the different type of plants along with the moss and the lichens. Thank you.